How to change your password on Mobile Legends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your password on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, of course, open up your Mobile Legend because we will have to see something. You cannot actually directly change your password in your Mobile Legends app. So head over to your profile. Open up your Mobile Legends first, head over to your profile on the top left. After you're there, head over to the accounts section. It's on the bottom. And right here, make sure that you find out to which social media your Mobile Legends is connected to. As you can see right here, mine is connected to my Facebook account. So yeah, if yours is connected to your TikTok, your Moon account, or your email, the process is really same. All you have to do is head over to that very social media and then change the password of that social media. After you change the password of that social media, your password for your password for your Mobile Legends will also get changed. If you're connected to your Moonton account, you can head over to this icon that says Account Center, and after you're here, all you need to do is tap on Change Moonton account password, and then your password will get changed. And it's that simple. That is how you can change your password if you're connected to your Moonton account or your different social media apps. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.